In this video, we're going to create the railing. To create the railing, there's a couple challenges that we have. One is it starts up here and we need a profile that's going to draw all the way down and then curve right at this endpoint here. And then we'll duplicate those down for this set and for the set upstairs here. To begin, first take the rectangle tool and draw on the stair here 2 inches, 0.5. And that's our profile. Take the select tool, double click on our selection, and then take the move tool and move this up from the midpoint right on that endpoint there. Next, we need to rotate this. Take the rotate tool, and you want to click and hold on your first click so that it aligns in the red axes, and then release. You can then click on the green axes and then pivot this up 90 degrees. Next, take the select tool, right click on this and make it a group. And we're going to copy this over to here. And once more, down to here. Now we can do the easy ones first. Let's actually make this a component by right clicking. And we'll double click to enter it. Take push pull and just push pull this all the way to this edge here. Take the paint bucket and sample the spindle and then hold down shift to apply it to all the faces. You can click out of the component and then duplicate it down in the blue axes. We want to duplicate this down 10 inches and then type in 2x. Come back upstairs. Finish this one off real quick. So again, make this a component, double click, push pull, sample the paint bucket, and then move copy down 10 inches. Now for the railing here going downstairs, let's double click to enter our profile and take the line tool and draw from the midpoint here. We're going to create a path. So we'll zoom down and we'll draw a line just to this point here, right on that midpoint. And then continue the line. See how it shows up magenta? That's letting us know that it's parallel. We'll draw that all the way down, right about to here. And you see that my cursor is right on that endpoint there. Next, we need to draw an arc that curves here. And I find it easier if you take the tape measure tool, draw a guide from this midpoint here, and then take the arc tool. Start from the endpoint, draw from there, and then make sure your cursor follows along this path here. That way you know it aligns correctly. Take the eraser, erase that little bit of edge, and you can erase the guide as well. The profile looks pretty good. We'll hide the rest of the model. That way we can just see our profile and our path. Take the select tool and select from right to left the 2 lines that make up the path. And then just zoom in, click the follow me tool, and just click on the profile. Going to create our railing here. We can then unhide the rest of the model, sample, and then apply the texture. Let's click out of that and make this a component by right-clicking. And then, as we did for the other 2, copy these down 10 inches and 2x. Now that we have the railing complete, let's move on to the next video where I'll show you how you can nest, group, and components to better organize this staircase.